EngView Packaging Suite is a CAD/CAM software for structural design and 3D modeling of packaging and PLP POS displays from carton, corrugated board, ICB, plastic, and other sheet materials. The software features a library of almost 2,000 resizable designs for boxes and displays. The library is organized by material and shape. Users can open each design in EngView or directly in Adobe Illustrator. The EngView software covers the whole packaging design and pre-production workflow. Designers can create a box from scratch or start from a ready parametric template. It takes only a few seconds to resize the design by editing the predefined dimensions. The software then recalculates the structure, taking into consideration the specifics of the material. By dragging parametric components into the work area, designers can change handles, closing and locking mechanisms, or add a zipper or a glue flap. They can modify the structure any way they want. The designer's imagination is the only limit. They can change the material or combine different drafting approaches like conventional and parametric drafting, or use the master canvas module for drawing multi-part structures in a single work area. When ready, the modified structure is saved and opened in Adobe Illustrator to add graphics. Thanks to EngView's integration with Illustrator, designers can see both the die line and the 3D model while creating the artwork. Often a box needs to be produced in several graphic variants. With EngView, designers can create combinations for the front and rear graphic design and immediately see the designs in 3D. The integration with Illustrator offers a lot of features that help designers place the artwork correctly over the 3D structure. The use of processes creates a realistic visualization of finishing effects like backing, lamination, varnish, or imprint. The ready 3D prototype can be exported as an HTML file to send to customers for approval. They can open the 3D in a browser and play the folding sequence animation without having to install additional software. EngView offers various layout and nesting wizards as well as different optimization tools to help converters produce small, medium, or large orders with cost and time efficiency in mind. With the one-sheet nesting, packaging professionals can choose the quantity of each graphic variant, select the sheet size, set margins and allowances. The software prompts the user to add or remove items from a certain design to minimize the number of sheets and reduce waste. In version 7, EngView has added a step-and-repeat functionality to the integration with Illustrator. This enhancement enables the precise multiplication of the one-up design over the layout. With a single click, users can generate high-resolution files for production with bleeds and print marks.